Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the host clock and sync state. Check system time, time zone, and NTP/Crony status immediately. Once done, pull the application and system logs that show the offending timestamps and save them for comparison. Make sure to note any recent deployments, updates, or automation that could have altered time settings. These clues explain whether this is a one-off drift, a configuration mismatch, or a service-level bug. Next, compare timestamps between logs and a trusted source to quantify the offset, seconds, minutes, or hours, which tells you if drift or misconfiguration is at fault. Then verify NTP server reachability and exchange quality. A reachable but failing NTP gives different fixes than unreachable servers. Also inspect container, VM, or application time zone overrides and config files, because local app settings often mask system sync issues. Once isolated, you choose whether to adjust sync, config, or code. Finally, apply the corrective action. Enable or fix NTP/Crony, set the correct time zone, or patch application time formatting and logic. Once applied, restart affected services and immediately recheck logs to confirm timestamps now align with the trusted source. This verification proves success. If timestamps remain incorrect, capture fresh logs, run NTP date or debugging tools to force sync, and escalate with your evidence.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.